I was lost inside the silence, trying hard to find my way. Every road I thought would lead me only pulled my heart astray. I was reaching for a reason, I was searching in the dark, but you found me in the distance, and you called me where I was. Even when I wandered far, you were never far from me. You have never left me in the valley, you have never turned your face away. In the weakness, in the waiting, you have held me every day. There is mercy in the middle of my breaking. There is grace I never could repay. And I know that in the silence, you are with me all the way. Every burden I was carrying, every fear I tried to hide, you were patient through the struggle. You were standing by my side. I don't have to earn your presence, I don't have to prove my place. You have written out my story in the power of your grace. Even now I hear you call, I am held through it all. You are faithful through the changing seasons. You are steady when my heart is weak. There is hope that rises in your promise. There is truth I finally can believe. You are healer in the hidden places. You are peace beyond what I can see. And I know that every step before me is already held in your hands for me. You are good when I don't understand it. You are near when I can't feel a thing. You are Lord above my situation. You are King above everything. Jesus, you are still my foundation. Jesus, you are all I need. You have never left me in the valley. You have never turned your face away. I know that in the silence you are with me all the way. You are with me